All right, many of you out there have heard me talk about this, black budget military funding. The Pentagon asking for $304 million. Okay, but first, join us at Discord. I'm going to leave a link below if you guys want to chat. We can do a voice chat or whatever. Come over there, talk about whatever you want. But I'll leave a link below: Twitter, Facebook, everything. So just follow us on all the different platforms. So let's get into it. A video leaked online. Now this was, I believe, a subcontractor at one of these testing facilities. Okay, just got a glimpse of this new, fifth generation aircraft. Now I don't think we're looking at a UFO. Okay, I think we're looking at something man-made. But is it reverse engineered? And why does it look like a UFO? Okay, why does it look like a round disc? Almost, it reminds me of a stingray, like you'd find in the ocean, right? Just a very peculiar shape here. So now keep in mind, we're looking at this upside down. Look, I'll flip it over right here. Now that I flipped the video, you're looking at it like you would see it flying in the sky. You see the cockpit top right there, and now you're looking at the bottom of the craft. But when they take this new technology to these airfields, okay, they hit the radar on the bottom. So the radar comes from the sky, and they're hitting the bottom of the craft. Therefore, it's flipped upside down. That's why you see the mounting bracket on the bottom, which the top, it is there. But there's an example right there. So again, I don't think we're looking at a UFO, but it's just another example of this technology, that the government is hiding from us. Look, we're always, 20, 30, 40 years behind of whatever it is they're working on. Okay, you can, again, go back to the 40s, the stealth technology and just all the different things they're working on. So, but my question is, why does it look like a freaking UFO? Okay, anyway, let's move on. So this next video sent to me by a good friend of mine, Brandy. How you doing out there? Probably, one of the best friends I've ever had in the UFO community. So thank you for sending the video. I don't want to say where Brandy was at. It's not this video you're looking at here. I'm about to show it. But what you're looking at here, just another example of this TR-3B technology, these triangular craft that our government is currently working on. Okay, I just want to show you like a real example. But let's get to that video. Now, the video, unfortunately, was only like maybe a 10-15 second clip, but I was able to zoom in right here, and it looks like a disc, literally like a flying saucer. I don't know how else to categorize this, but truly incredible. At first, I told my friend Brandy, I said, well, could be a drone, could be, something like that, maybe Chinese lantern. We always try to debunk everything first, but the more I zoomed in, I saw this, cylinder disc-shaped object, and I was like, wow, there's, something more to this here. Amazing. And this is why it's so important to always, keep your eye on the sky, look up, record everything, even if you don't think it's a UFO. You never know, because people like me can zoom in and investigate your video. That's why I love the UFO community, especially when we all kind of contribute like this. It's awesome. So, but look at that, guys. Some weird flash right there, looks like a disc. I don't know. Look, you guys tell me in the comment section. I got a bunch of videos coming out tonight. I got to burn through them. So you guys have a wonderful evening.